Quant has been massively bullish over the last weeks actually. So in this video we'll talk about whether it's possible that a new Quant rally is actually forming, and yeah, how high we can get in general. So let's get right into it. First of all, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great weekend. Hope you're all doing great. Quant, I try to cover, I mean, most of you know, but I try to cover it every once in a while, and especially when the price is moving like this. Yeah, my analysis on Quant have actually been pretty like spot on. I mean, this one I did in the last video, which you can always verify, right? You can always look up that video. If you want to see that, just comment that you want to see that, and I'll look it up for you, and I'll comment it back to you, the link, because I understand that it's maybe a little bit of an effort to go through my videos and look that up. But this analysis was, as you can see, pretty correct, and the analysis before that was also spot on. So Quant is acting, let's say it like that. Quant is acting in quite a predictive manner. And the thing is that Quant right now has a very clear market structure. What you could see, or basically, yeah, I mean, in the end we were in quite a big downtrend, amplified by everything that happened with FTX, but Quant obviously had a massive rally up here, and then we started dropping, and then we got into a downtrend, pretty big one. And then what started from actually the 14th of November, so that's why I said that we've been bullish for a few weeks already, is that we started making higher lows. And we started like testing resistance levels and not really finding a lot of resistance there. So essentially the market structure became a little bit more bullish. And what I said last analysis is that I thought it would be strong enough to actually break out of this downtrend, break out of this trend line, for example, take a break retest, maybe consolidate a little bit because 124 is a pretty strong resistance level. But then also break above, which we did yesterday, break above this 200 EMA, which is a very strong resistance level, and get up to my price target around 134. That's what happened. Now, do I think that Quant can actually form a rally like we did here? It's hard to say. I mean, I would say that I would have definitely said yes right here, but right now to me it's too, like, there are too many fundamental things going around in the market for me to be able to claim something like that. I think we can get up to like 140, 148 or 150 though. And I think that's what I have to do. I think I have to keep making these updates on that. So what you see right now, if you zoom into Quant, is that we actually, like, if we really zoom in, you can see that we like took a break retest off of $128. And right now are rising. So our main resistance level right now is between like, or around like 134, 135. Even though I think Quant is an amazing project and we have a lot of bullish momentum, I don't think we'll be able to break through that easily. I think we will get up there, and excuse me, I have to drag this fib along a little bit. I think we will get up there, but I think it's more likely that from there we will actually drop down a little bit, maybe drop down all the way to 124, consolidate for a little, and then somewhere next week I think we'll be able to break above 134 and get up to 144, because that's like the lowest resistance level of this entire very strong resistance level between 144 and 154. Altogether, it's quite interesting. I'm not sure if you think it's interesting as well, but like for Quant, the 24, 34, 44, 54, those levels actually are pretty strong always. Here, 164 also pretty strong, 174 also pretty strong resistance level, 184 is a resistance level, and 194 as well. That's sometimes what you see in like stocks as well, that certain price levels are like more important. And for Quant, that's definitely the force. But that's just a little nugget of information, I guess. But yeah, so that's what I expect for Quant. As I said, amazing project altogether. So long term, it's a great hold. But short term, I think something like this is going to happen. So that's my take. For now, if you have any questions, let me know. But for now, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and bye.